Dear students, I am Devender, your math sir. In this video, I will explain about formulas. Now you can see here square root properties here, which are square root properties here. A comma B are positive real numbers. Here A comma B are positive real numbers, which can be written as also identities. Square root identities, we can call it as or square root properties. Now you can see first one here, square root AB is equal square root A into square root B. For example, for the easy purpose, I am saying here root 6. How can you write root 6 here? Root 2 into root 3. Yes or no? See here, root 6. That means root AB is equal root A into root B in the same way. Root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3 or not? Yes. In the similar way, one more here. Square root A by B is equal square root A by square root B. Here, B is not is equal 0. You know that I am giving one more example here. Square root, I am writing 4 by 5. Square root 4 by 5. How can you write here square root 4 by square root 5? Just we are applying square root to numerator and denominator only. You have to observe very easiest formulas which are. See here one more here, square root A plus square root B into square root A minus square root B is equal A minus B. Just you can assume this is A plus B into A minus B formula or not. A plus B into A minus B, which are the formulas we have learned in the 8th class. A plus B into A minus B is equal A square minus B square or not, but here square root having each and every term, so that square root will be cancelled. You will get A minus B only. For example, I am taking here root 3 plus root 4, root 3 plus root 4 into root 3 minus root 4, root 3 plus root 4 into root 3 minus root 4. Whenever you are getting this kind of problems, you can directly write A minus B. That means A value how much? 3, B value how much? 4. That means your answer is how much? 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is how much? Minus 1 only, your answer. You have to simplify it. Just I am writing here, I am using this formula A minus B. That means here 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1 is your answer. You have to remember the formulas which were very useful in exercise. See here one more formula, A plus root B into A minus root B. Similar formula, A plus B into A minus B. You know that A square minus B square, but here A does not have here square root symbol, but B having square root symbols. For B, square root will be cancelled, so that you are getting how much? A square minus B. For example, here I am taking, see, 3 plus square root 7. 3 plus square root 7 into 3 minus square root 7. 3 plus square root 7 into 3 minus square root 7. What is the formula? A square, that means 3 square. 3 square is how much? 9 only. Minus square root 7. Square root 7 whole square how much? That means your 7. 3 square how much? 9. 9 minus 7 how much? Your answer is how much? 2 only. Very easiest formulas which are. See one more here, square root A plus square root B whole square. Just I am asking you, once you can tell the formula. A plus B whole square formula, tell me. A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square or not. But here A is not square, it is a square root A. Yes or no? So that you are taking A plus square root of, 2 square root AB. Here I am writing here A plus 2 root AB plus B only. In this way you can write here example. I am taking here square root 3 plus square root 2 whole square. How can you write square root 3 plus square root 2? You can write first A value how much? 3. Next here 2 root AB. See here 2 root AB. That means you can write here 3 into 2 plus root B value how much? 2 only. That means 3 plus 2 how much? Here 5 plus 2 root 3 to how much? 6. This is your answer. 5 plus 2 root 6 is your answer. You can use the formulas carefully. See here square root A plus B plus 2 root AB is equal square root A plus square root B. Just you can observe here. If I am forwarding this square root to other side, it will become square root or not? That means here square root. If it is square root, left side answer will become how much? Square root A plus square root B or not? Yes, you can remember this formula. Square root of A plus B plus 2 root AB is equal square root A plus square root B. Now you can see here law of exponents for real numbers. First one formula here, a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Already this kind of formulas you have studied in 7th and 8th classes. Once again I am explaining you with examples. Here I am taking one example here. For example, 2 power 5 into 2 power 7. 2 power 5 into 2 power 7, how much? The bases are same, just you can add the exponents. You know that 2 power m plus n, that means here 5 plus 7, yes or no? 5 plus 7, that means here 2 power 12. Is it okay? I hope you understood this one. A power m into a power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. This is the product class here. Bases are same. Here operation is multiplication. Just you can add the exponents. That means here m plus n. Here 2 power 5 into 2 power 7 is equal to 2 power 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 means it is 12. As per your convenient, you can do your own problem also. Next one, I am taking here a to the power m whole power n. This is the power formula. A to the power m whole power n is equal, just you can multiply the exponents m into n. You can take m into n, that means here a to the power mn only. For example, I am taking one more example here, 2 power 3 whole power 4. 2 power 3 whole power 4 means just you can multiply exponent. 3 4 ja how much? 3 into 4, that means here 2 into 2 power 3 4 ja how much? 12. 2 power 12 is your answer. Very easiest formulas which can be used in exercise. Next one here, a to the power m by a to the power n is equal a to the power m minus n. This is the quotient law. That means here see a to the power m by a to the power n. Here bases are same, but here operation is division. If the operation is division, you can just subtract the exponents. A to the power m minus n. See, here condition is m is greater than n. That means here I am taking here example. Here 4 power 5 by 4 power 2. See here 4 power 5 by 4 power 2 is equal. You can write here 4 power 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Here bases are same. Operation is division. Just you can subtract the exponents. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3 only. That means you can write here 4 power 3. Here 4 power 3 is your answer. Next one here, a to the power m into b to the power m is equal a to the power a into b whole power n. That means here I am taking one example. You can write here 2 power 6 into 3 power 6. I am writing here 2 power 6 into 3 power 6. Just you can write here 2 into 3 whole power 6. That means 2 3 ja how much? 6 power 6 is your answer. Just you can use the formulas wherever which is useful. 1 by a to the power n is equal to a to the power minus n. Here a to the power n is in the form of here denominator. If I am converting denominator into numerator, just you can change the exponent symbol. Here I am taking one example here, 1 by 3 power 4. You can write here 3 power minus 4. Is it okay? 1 by 3 power 4, you can write here 3 power minus 4. One more here, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. I am taking an example here. You have to remember a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Here condition is a not is equal to 0. That means I am writing 3 power 0 is how much? 1 only. If I am taking 1000 power 0 also, 1 only. In this way you have to learn all these formulas. Thank you for watching this video. Using these formulas we can do the problems in the next exercise. We can see in the next video.